Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello, fellow Cookie Run Kingdom players. In this video, I will explain how to craft beneficial items in the game. We'll focus on making helpful juices that give your cookies temporary boosts. Understanding this process is key to strengthening your team and overcoming tough challenges. It's a straightforward system once you know the steps, and it can make a big difference in your gameplay. Let's dive into the details of how to get started with crafting these powerful concoctions. To begin crafting, you'll need to gather the right ingredients. These materials are produced across your kingdom in different buildings. For instance, you can get sugar cubes from your sugar quarry, and other vital components might come from places like the Tower of Sweet Chaos or the Seaside Market. Make sure your production buildings are active and upgraded to keep a steady supply of everything you need for your crafting endeavors. Once you have your ingredients, head over to the Magic Laboratory. This is your central hub for crafting. Inside, you'll find a list of available recipes. Simply choose the juice you want to make, and the game will show you the necessary materials. As long as you have everything in stock, you can tap the Produce button to begin crafting. It's a simple process that quickly yields valuable items for your cookies. The real power of these crafted juices lies in the benefits they offer your cookies. Each juice provides temporary stat boosts, which can significantly improve your team's performance. You might see increases in attack power, defense, or other crucial attributes. Timing is everything, so use these powerful items strategically before entering difficult battles or participating in special events to maximize their impact and secure your victories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.